I'll make a quick video about this amplifier. It's a ROLAND Cube 60 keyboard amplifier. Now I use it to play guitar. I don't have a keyboard. 100% not sure if that makes a big difference or not. But I took it apart just to kind of look at it. I got this at a thrift store for 50 bucks. It looks really nice and I like it. It's on the upside down, obviously, right now. But basically, there's just screws here. You can take this out really easy. There's your on and off power switch. These are all your inputs. And then these are all your knobs. Okay. It just comes out like that. And just kind of put it like that. Your reverb tank is right there. There's your old analog style reverb tank. There's a screw here. One on one corner and diagonally across there's another one. Your inputs are clearly marked here. Input is red, output is blue, and here as well the blue goes to, well, at least it says blue, right? And then this one says red. I should say red, I think, somewhere. Yeah, there it is, red. So, and this is how the circuit board looks like. Everything is original, works. I took the reverb tank out just to kind of see what was going on, to measure these inductors or whatever they're called. On the input, it was 1.2 ohm. On the output, it was 182 ohm, which seems a little bit high, but maybe that's, I did ask AI and they said for this particular motor, that's supposed to be fine. There's a transformer right there, a big transformer that powers this whole unit. There's a big driver right there. Again, this is a reverb tank. I'll zoom in on this so you can see the model in case you're broke. Not sure if you can get these anymore or replacement. You can definitely buy reverb tanks, so you just tell them what, when you contact the company, you tell them what model you have of your amplifier and what reverb tank you have, and they should be able to help you match at least, even if it's not the original. And then there's a tweeter right there. So you have your woofer and your tweeter. And basically, once, you can take this off, but I already put it in. Basically, you just, you guys can even do this with one hand. Once you have this in here, you just put your screws like so. And that's it. Two here, I believe. And that's it, yeah. 4 screws, the whole thing comes out. There's 2 screws of reverb, the whole thing comes out. There's absolutely nothing wrong with the woofers or the tweeter that I'm aware of. Yeah, it is a really nice amp. Let me put these screws back in and show you guys how it looks like. Okay, one more here. Actually, 2 more here. The washer over it. I mean, if I can do it with one hand while recording a YouTube video, you can do it with 2 hands while not recording a YouTube video. Okay, so that's basically it. Now, you see these things, they're definitely like screw holes here. I don't know if there was anything ever here, like another screen. If there was, sure as heck didn't come with the amp, because I don't have to. But let me stand this up. So the amp from the back looks like this. Again, there definitely seems to be something here, but it was missing. I think I forgot that. I could definitely put something in there. But anyway, this is how the top looks. You got separate controls for your treble, mid, and bass. So, full range controls for everything. And basically, you just have your volume inputs for your different inputs. You can hook up two things, and then you have reverb on or off for both circuits inputs. That's it. On and off switch here, fuse there. You have external speakers. We can connect this to headphones. Effects, pre-out, main in, a record, mono, AB. And then the front of the amp looks like this. I like the look of it. Yeah, it does work. We'll turn it on in a second. Let's do it right now. So I usually just from the back, let's put the reverb at 5, effects. Actually, shouldn't be doing this, but since okay, reverb on, input volume at 5, this one 0, right in the middle. Okay, sounds pretty good. No noise. I mean, there's always going to be some little bit of hush. This is at 6, a little bit past 6. This is volume maximum. I think that's normal in most amps to be making some hum at a maximum volume, but 5, which is what I'll be playing at. So again, this is the keyboard, Roland, classic 80s, late 80s, I think. Keyboard 60 Cube amp, Cube 60 keyboard amp. I like the silverish. I mean, it's definitely been used, which is supposed to, that's what this amp is supposed to be done. I kind of like the silverish, kind of a shiny wrap that they put on this. Is definitely not paint, this is wrap, you can tell. I kind of like it. I kind of like that it went through some good life. He's some little scratches, whatever. That tells me it's been well used, and that's the whole point of an amp. Oh, you can hear the reverb tank. The spring inside, that's normal, by the way. There's nothing wrong with it. So it's like if you're playing guitar, you can kind of, if you want doing some weird things on the stage and you want to kick it, go boom, boom. Kind of, you can induce it with your foot. So, yeah, that's it, I guess. Keep an eye on these amps. They're kind of good. I mean, they're not the best sounding amps. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm so stupid. I am so stupid. Let's turn this off. I was just saying to you that looks like something goes in the back and was potentially missing. It's not missing. I have it right here. I'm just blind. The corners for the cables to come out, your power cable, and then the whole thing goes in like that. So I'm gonna put that in once made in USA. 100, what does it say? 160 watts. Okay. So that's about it for this video. Cheers.